Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. Yeah, Chainlink is a similar situation to Polkadot, where I also told you that we could now be in an uptrend. Yeah, we broke out of this. If I zoom out, you will see that a bit better, where we broke out of this larger descending wedge here. Yeah, and we are now on the way to the upside. We are not entirely out of the woods yet. Yeah, we can still expect lower lows at the moment, but it's starting to look more promising. I gave you, however, in previous videos, my view that unless we get above 750, which is this level here, the wave E high and the wave 4 high, unless we get above that level, we need to be still very, very, very careful and have to expect that we come down once more lower. But we can give it the benefit of the doubt at the moment, I think, given the recent price action. And what you can see here, the bullish scenario would be that here actually we've seen a wave 1 to the upside on the 24th of June, 25th of June. We then came down in a wave 2. So all of this was an A, B, C correction. That's what I mentioned in the last video. And then I called out to you all these key resistance levels here that have now been overcome. One was at 644, one was at 683, and the next one is at 750. Now the 750 level, you see how relevant that was not broken. We actually touched it. And by going a little bit above that previous wave E high, we invalidated a few bearish patterns. So again, that puts more emphasis on the bullish call here. And in the wave 3 that you can see here, we probably have finished similar to Bitcoin a wave 1, and we are now in the wave 2. You can see the difference between the impulsive price action here and the corrective price action down here. So some people would call that a bullish flag, and you can draw that. And that would also be my view that to get more confirmation that we are continuing to move up here, I would want to wait for a breakout of that pattern. A breakout out of that pattern would move instantly, in my opinion, to 750. That's basically a wedge here. The first target of a wedge is always the beginning of the wedge. So if there is a breakout here, we'll probably move down to 750 quite quickly. Do we break out straight away? That's what I can't tell you. You need to watch the chart, but we can certainly expect some kind of a rejection here, yeah, at 750. But it might just be an initial reaction, and then we will go through here. We should break the 750 level in the next attempt to finish off wave 3. So if we count the subwaves here, I would say this was a wave 1, and we are now still in this wave 2. Now that wave 2 could be finished in A, B, C, and we might now be in the beginning of the third wave, But to get evidence for that, yeah, there's a few things that need to happen. First of all, break out above the wedge. If that happened today, it would be above 715 after a retest. Next level would be that high here at 730, and then the 750 level that we just need to get above. And if we break above 750, I think then we can get fairly quickly to the target of the wave 3, and that is pretty much that wave A high here, 965. That is very close to the 1.618 extension anyway. And this is what I'd be waiting for. In terms of Fibonacci retracements here for the wave 2, when does it get dangerous? So you can see that at the moment we pulled back in terms of the Fib retracements in that wave 2 here to the 50% Fib retracement. Now that is a very valid and likely retracement level for a wave 2. We could even go to 644, which is the 61.8% Fib level. Shouldn't really go lower because this was also a previous resistance level. So there would be pretty much good support going forward. So if we lose a 61.8, I'd become very careful anyway. So ideally we expect the reversal either now or when we touch the 61.8% Fib level. Anything below that would, in my opinion, not be very bullish, and just would put some doubt again on the bullish scenario we have here on the chart. So in summary, a lot of uncertainty still here in the markets. Going forward, good chance, good case to be made for a bullish breakout, but we want to get above 750 first and have that breakout of the pattern, and the move above 750 can move to $9 and, what did I say, $9.65. Alright, and that is my update about Chainlink. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.